Are you sick and tired of those dull, robotic chat bots that nobody enjoys talking to? Yeah, we all are. But guess what? That's about to change. Introducing Humanizzer, the game-changing platform that creates lifelike, interactive human agents in any language, and it does it in just 60 seconds. Imagine this. You can magically transform anyone into an interactive agent with lifelike, face-to-face interaction in your brand's voice. Your face, your video, your custom knowledge, your emotions. Available. Live 24/7. Sounds exciting, right? Let's talk about why this is perfect for marketers, creators, agencies, and businesses of every kind. Why human connection matters. Let's face it, people connect with people, not machines. Think about the business leaders you admire. Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Elon Musk. What do they have in common? They don't just sell products or services. They build deep trust, loyalty, and emotional connections with their audience. Their secret? Face-to-face, human-to-human interaction. And now, Humanizzer brings that magic to your brand. Here's what you'll get with Humanizzer. Wow your customers with realistic, human-like interactions they'll love. Capture attention and keep it with engaging, natural conversations. Build emotional bonds that foster loyalty, repeat business, and lifelong connections. Did you know that customers who feel emotionally connected to a brand are 4x more likely to stay loyal and spend twice as much? That's the power of Humanizzer. The struggle is real, but we've got you covered. Now, you might be wondering, if human connection is so powerful, why isn't everyone doing it? Building interactive human agents feels overwhelming. You can hire freelancers, but it's no walk in the park. Or do you want to doing it yourself? But with Humanizzer, those struggles are a thing of the past. You can create 24/7 human-like agents that represent your brand with your face, voice, and emotions. Deliver a real human touch effortlessly. Here's how easy it is. Creating a lifelike interactive human agent takes just 3 simple steps. Clone yourself, or anyone. Upload an image and let Humanizzer work its magic. Train the agent. Customize responses to match your style, knowledge, and language. Engage and earn. Embed your agent online and start turning visitors into happy customers.
A house, condo, or something else? And do you have a preferred area or city? Here's a link to some fantastic 3-bedroom homes near top-rated schools in Austin, all within your budget. You can filter by your preferences for amenities and neighborhood vibes.
It's that simple, and it's super powerful. Break language barriers with seamless multi-language support. Personalize every interaction, no matter where your customer is. Automate conversations without losing the human touch. Imagine the possibilities. Your business selling more products and services effortlessly. Customers having personalized, one-of-a-kind experiences your competitors can't match. Building deep trust and loyalty with every interaction. Whether you're a coach, consultant, marketer, agency owner, or a business owner in niches like customer support, e-commerce, e-learning, health and fitness, legal services, real estate, sales, or entrepreneurship, Humanizzer is your secret weapon for game-changing customer interactions that lead to massive profits. What you'll achieve with Humanizzer: delight customers 24/7, engage visitors face-to-face anytime, anywhere. Be the face of your brand. Let your agents represent you with authority and trust. Turn visitors into customers. Plus pre-designed agents to convert and close deals. Wow customers with a human touch. Blend your voice, emotions, and knowledge seamlessly. Monetize the future. Create and sell custom agents to clients for $1,000 and more each. Revolutionize engagement. Lead your market with cutting-edge, human-like interactions. Features that set Humanizzer apart. Train agents with your knowledge, tone, and emotions. Fine-tune responses for length, creativity, and style. Share agents across social media to boost visibility. Integrate effortlessly with email platforms, CRMs, and 2,000+ tools via Pabbly Connect. Generate leads and collect feedback for unstoppable growth. Real success stories. Businesses using Humanizzer are already seeing higher viewer engagement and retention, long-lasting personal and professional relationships, a steady stream of targeted leads with minimal effort. Humanizzer is changing the game, helping brands connect with their audience on a truly emotional level. Don't miss out. Limited introductory offer. Right now, during our special launch, you can get exclusive access to Humanizzer at an unbeatable price. But don't wait. Prices will soon rise. Click Click below to grab your spot today. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, there's absolutely zero risk and unlimited potential for growth. Your dream brand, real human connections, unstoppable growth. Humanizzer delivers it all. What are you waiting for? Click below and start building genuine relationships today.